Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start streaming on Get Live using your phone step by step. Now, it is super easy, and I'll also show you the tools I personally use to make my streams look clean and professional. So the first thing you will want to do is to go over to Play Store and download this browser, Quetta Browser. You want to download it. And the second thing you want to do is download this app, Prism Live Studio. Or you can even download this other app, CameraFi Live. So in case if the other one doesn't work for you, then you can use this one. And of course, you want to make sure that you have this app, Get.io Exchange. Make sure you have an account and it is verified. So once they are installed, then we are ready to set them up. So we want to start by setting up our browser, and the reason why I choose this browser is because the search bar is down here. The search bar is down, as you can see. So now you want to click these three dots here. Click on setting, click on appearance, scroll. Now you see, as you can see, the zoom page. You see the zoom page. So you want to set it to 50%. You want to set it to 50%. Okay. Now that will make the screen very wide, and this will make your stream looks even better, and it will give you more control when you are sharing your Get Live dashboard. So the next thing you would want to do is to open your Prism Live Studio app or your CameraFi, depends on which one you choose, but I use this one. I prefer this one because it works better for me. So once you are in, you want to log in and you want to set up your stream layout, your camera, your mic, and you want to make sure that your phone is in landscape mode. Yes, in landscape mode for a proper streaming view. So you click on it here. So as you can see, the broadcast aspect is 16.9. So this is portrait and this is landscape. Can you see it? So you want to make sure that it is on landscape mode, and then you also want to check your scene editing. You are good to go. And then the last thing you would want to do is to go over to your Get app. So once you are in your Get app, what you want to do now is to apply for the activation of your account. Remember, please, I forgot to say this, before doing this particular step, make sure that you have already filled out the form, which I will be dropping in the Telegram group. Make sure to fill that form before activating your account. So if you are sure that you have filled the form, you want to come over to your Get app. You look down, you see live. Click on live. Now you want to apply to become a streamer. So you look down, you see this blue icon that looks like a camera. Here's it. So you click on it, and then you can see live. You fill in your topic. Let's say, for example, I want to stream about Bitcoin. Let's say I want to stream about Bitcoin. Let me add my topic. let me add my topic, and then for the description I can just say news about Bitcoin, and then content tag. And here's another thing I also want to say. There is also a guide about all of this. I'll also be dropping it in the Telegram group, and it will explain this part better, so make sure to go through that guide before doing this. So content tags, that guide explain more on which one you should pick depending on your type of stream. So let's say I'll pick hot topics. Then we have token related to the stream. So because I'm talking about Bitcoin, the token related to my stream is BTC. So I'll click on it, and my starting time, okay, this is currently 8 p.m. here. So let's say I want to stream tomorrow. I can just change it. I can just change the date, or if I want to stream in some like 2 hours time, I'll change the time here. I change the time. So let's just say, for example, I'm streaming tomorrow. So I'll set my time. Then I confirm. And for duration, you want to select more than 2 hours. Now remember, you want to stream for an hour or more, but I'll select for more than 2 hours. So even if I don't start at this particular time, I won't have any issue. That's why putting the duration this much. So now for your cover image, I'm also going to be dropping a link in the Telegram group where you can get your image. Don't just use any kind of image, if not your stream might get rejected. So here's the image I'm using. So once I'm done setting everything up here, I click on submit. And usually if you are a new user, it might take up to 20 to 30 minutes for you to get approved, submitted. So confirm, and as you can see, it is application, it wrote application approved here, application approved. So once your application is reviewed and approved, you will automatically become a Gate live streamer, and from there you can start your first official stream and begin earning rewards. Now to start your stream, you come over to this, you click on this icon that look like a camera. You look up here, you click on this other icon that look like a camera, and then you get what is called your exposure code. So you take it, you copy your server, you copy your key, you copy it, and then you confirm, and then you go over to your streaming app. So once you are in your streaming app, I'm using Prism, you click on get ready. So you click on this RTMP. Let me cancel this one. This is the one I used a few days ago. So you want to add in your stream URL, you add it, then your stream key, you add it, and then you click on save. So now once you click on go live, you will automatically go live in the Gates IO. So what you want to do is that before clicking this go live, you want to make sure your browser is ready. So, and you want to rotate your screen like this, so it will be on landscape mode. So once you are like this, you click on go live, and immediately you go over to your browser. So that's it. So if you have any question concerning this, feel free to drop in the comment section or in the group, and make sure to join my Telegram group. It will be in the description box or comment section. Thank you.